The process of building Gappsi brick ovens starts with the collection of the clay and stored to dry. When it's time to manufacture the bricks, it gets mixed. The clay is then made into a consistent paste and then molded into specific sizes and let to dry. The drying process continues for several weeks. Smaller bricks are stacked and also let to dry naturally. Dried clay bricks are then stacked into a chamber, and then a wood-burning fire is used in the furnace below to cook the clay bricks into their final stage of manufacturing. These are the complete terracotta Biscotto di Sorrento for the oven's floor, and bricks that will be used to build the Gappsi brick ovens. This is how we build Gappsi ovens, starting with a metal frame base that works as a foundation for the oven. We apply insulation under the concrete base to keep the very bottom of the oven insulated, and install wire mesh before the concrete is poured. Then we start with the assembling of the floor. We set up the Biscotto di Sorrento bricks and start building the walls around. And after we complete the first 2 rows, we then remove the floor and fill the void with volcanic sand mixed with rock salt. This combination acts as a subfloor that provides insulation and heat retention under the oven's terracotta floor. Then the clay bricks Biscotto di Sorrento is installed above the volcanic sand. In this particular oven, we drilled the hole completely through the oven floor because this oven will have a gas burner and will work with both gas and wood fire. Here, we are starting to build the walls, starting with erecting the door frame and cutting the bricks to match the door's angles. The first row of Biscotto di Sorrento bricks is installed vertical as a soldier course around the perimeter of the oven. The bricks are installed in a wedge position that minimizes the cement exposure on the inside of the oven in between brick joints. Bricks are plumbed and installed to perfection by artisans installers. As the base wall is complete, a top row of bricks is installed as a bond beam, and the shape of the dome is created with a temporary dome made out of volcanic sand. The dome is then built over using the same technique of wedged bricks to create the cupola inside the oven. This process is used till the completion of the brick dome. The exterior of the brick dome is then covered with a wire mesh reinforced layer of a mix of cement, sand, and expanded clay pebbles, further insulating the oven's exterior crust. This is the oven structure completed with the best clay bricks. Every Gappsi oven is built the same way up to this point. Then it depends on the finish and style. The oven will take shape of the desired model. The interior of every Gappsi oven is a site of craftsmanship, beauty, and history, a tradition that has been unchanged for more than 300 years. And the exterior of every Gappsi oven comes standard with a large, useful mantle made out of volcanic block marble, which is beautiful and also heat resistant. Using the traditional oven shell, here we are building the Vesuvio style oven, a combination of brick accent to face the front of the oven. The dome for the smokestack is being built over a metal frame and insulated. All Gappsi ovens dome are insulated with a high-quality fiberglass blanket. A second frame is built on the outside of the oven. All rebars reinforced and wrapped with galvanized wire lath. A volcano shape is accomplished, and a cavity is also created between the ovens and the outside shell. True craftsmanship and precise execution goes into every Gappsi brick oven construction. A layer of cement is then applied over the wire lath. The air chamber created serves two purposes. This provides more insulation for the oven and makes the exterior surface of the oven safe and cool to the touch. The final installation of the top cupola, the smokestack, and the Vesuvio model is complete. This is our Napoletano model, veneered standard with the river rocks. These are our craftsmen posing with the Sorrento model oven, standard veneered with random size, natural stones, and brick accents. And to complete our line of custom brick ovens is the Amalfi style, finished with custom hand-painted tiles of your favorite memories with friends and family from our artists. And can also get your favorite name engraved into the oven's metal door. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our brick ovens and construction process. Please visit the Gappsi showroom to view our brick ovens and all our unique products. If you are in the market for a brick pizza oven, please do all your researches and come to us last. We are very confident that we'll prove to you and that you will agree that Gappsi ovens are the best quality brick ovens on the market.